2024 February 14, dear Rina. Today is Thursday. I love today because today I will go to Switzerland with my school. So I was very excited. I go to school and I wait at the bus with my friend. One boy wears rabbit shape of head, so our class is very noisy because all of my class friends laugh very loud. My friend Sarah takes pictures many times. She takes pictures of the boy. I take some pictures, but arrived to Switzerland. Even so, I'm happy because Holland may be open at 10 o'clock. The time is 9:30. I do open run at 10 o'clock. I'm very happy. My team is Sarah, Eileen, and me. My team rode many rides. First is Loop Cafe. I ride 3 times of 2 days. It is funny, but some is not funny. Second is World Cup. I was scary. It is like 4. I was really scary. Third is 달나라 열차. That is very scary because so fast, but very funny. Last thing is black hole. That is really scary, but really funny. I recommend black hole. See you next week. Sincerely, Joy. Thank you for listening to my presentation.